Member, I call the member for Indi.
Thank you, Deputy, and congratulations on your appointment. Colleagues, Australians for Mental Health represents 4 million Australians suffering mental ill health, their family and friends. And this week they have called for a new national mental health culture, a culture of timely, high-quality care for all Australians. A grassroots approach to delivering mental health reform is not new to my electorate of Indi. A predecessor was a campaign to win a Headspace centre for young people on the border and north-east Victoria. But we know reform will involve community, government and leadership. A recently announced Senate inquiry into the access to mental health services in regional and remote Australia asks why rural Australians access mental health services at such a low level. The inquiry will make recommendations to improve the delivery of mental health services in regional areas, and I encourage all individuals, organisations and mental health professionals to make a submission before the closing date on May the 11th. And in closing, colleagues, I'd like to acknowledge and welcome to Canberra the members of this year's Alpine Valleys Community Leadership Program, so gorgeously displayed here. I encourage you all to understand what can be achieved when local leaders stand up and act on important issues in their community. And I encourage, if there's one message that you take from this meeting in Canberra, leadership is not an optional extra. We all need you to stand up and do what's right. And if you can do it around mental health, I'd be really pleased.